Well, I will say these handheld X-Talker Midlands have done me really well. I've used those at Core and a couple other trips with friends. These are really good if you're in close proximity of your buddies on the trails. These are also really good for spotting purposes. They do have a limitation as far as range goes, maybe a couple of miles, even though they may claim they go longer, but these are really good products too. The good thing I like about these is that you do have the ability to plug this in and charge it. You don't have to have a full charger. You can plug this into your USB port in your car and charge it while you're using it. Whereas some of my friends had models that you couldn't do that, and once their battery dead, they were just out of the water. So I would highly recommend these to people who want to use them. But you know, as probably do some more serious trips out west, where we may incur some distance between the people that we're with, longer road trips, I think the 275 will be the way to go. This is a brand new box I received today. Nice packaging. So we'll open it up and we'll see what all is involved. All right, so we opened the box up. Of course, it has the handbook here. Looks like we have the antenna that comes with the mount. I'll get that out here in a minute and some better pictures of it. I do not plan on using this, as I will be using the ghost antenna that I showed you before. So don't know if I can use, I might keep it around just in case, you know, for whatever reason, if I did need it. Also comes with a power hookup. This plugs into the back of the antenna. You can use this in your cigarette lighter directly, even though I'd say I'll probably splice these wires either into the DC cigarette lighter in the dash, but we'll see. I might change my mind. I'll update you on that whenever we get to that part. Also, there is a piece here, adhesive backing, where you can mount your mic on your dash. I'm kind of going back and forth how I want to put that, but you'll see here soon what I end up deciding with. But it's got a little recessive knob in it, so we'll click in there, hold it in place. Looks like it's good quality double-sided adhesive. I may consider putting a magnet on it instead. It's a fuse and some screws, so I'm sure that's to go with the inline fuse. It's probably a spare. And of course, what we all want, stickers. So yeah, we can decorate our toolboxes, our trucks, anything we want to. So it's always good to get stickers. So if you're a vendor out there watching this, always include stickers. They don't cost that much, and your customers love them, even if they don't admit it. All right, so here is the handheld mic portion. Also with the cord itself. Not sure why that USB plug thing is there. Here's the LAN wire that plugs into the back. And it looks like the actual mic handheld piece that goes on the dash. So we'll get that on here. Take the little plastic thing off that they put on just to make it look nice and neat. I mean, obviously we'll go through this somewhere if we get it plugged up. I just wanted to show you guys fresh out of the box what it entails. Then of course is the radio itself. It is in the bracket that comes with it. I'm debating on whether using Velcro or not. You'll see shortly what I end up going with, but lots of good ideas out there on the forums and Instagram. Our friends at Wanderlost really did a great job, you know, hiding theirs. I don't know if I'll go into that much trouble, but just wait and see. I got some ideas floating in my head, but we'll see how invasive they are. Of course, the power cord, also the antenna mount, and of course the LAN port for you to mount or to connect the handheld piece of it. And it looks like a USB charger, so I guess that would come in handy, have an extra USB charger, depending on where you put this. The external speaker, you can't really see it because the bracket's in the way, but it's like right there. I'm sure you've seen it on other videos. So anyway, just wanted to kind of put this out and show it to you guys. That's pretty much what's in the box. right, for the Midland MXT275 GMRS radio, I've decided to mount it right here for now. I did use some industrial grade Velcro, so I could easily remove that if I had to, maybe with some Goo Gone and elbow grease. Ordered that off Amazon. For the GMRS radio, I put these two on here, so they didn't cover the speaker, but they should just be able to line right up right there. So once I plug the power in, I will run this up under here and back into the seat to where the Wii Boost will be mounted. And because my plan is to splice into the Wii Boost somehow. So, and then I'll run the mic, this port, and I'll have an additional USB, you know, if I want to charge something, what have you. Of course, there's the cable running up, and it runs up and eventually leads to the ghost antenna with the Cali raised ditch lights and the ditch light bracket. So great addition on that. Ran it through the firewall just like every other wire that we had, and hopefully this will be a very clean and neat setup once done. The Midland, I can always unplug it and just take it out if I don't want it sitting there, or if I'm trying to impress anybody, which I can't really think of any reason why I would be doing it. But you know, I can simply unplug the red wire right there with the clip, take the radio itself off. Yeah, they'd be Velcro there, but you know, if I'm just doing it for short term, or when I'm not on the trails or out on the roads, I could take it off just for safekeeping. You know, so hope you enjoy. All right, try to excuse the glare off the sunlight. So what I did is I ran the wire for the Midland, this little Velcro right here attaches, ran it through here behind the carpet. Another Velcro right there, and another one up there. Kind of took the excess, zip tied it onto one piece, put it back behind here, and run it to where it's easily accessible there for the radio. This piece, plastic piece here, slides on and off fairly easy. You just pop this end out, and then you have to slide this thing backward, or back towards you, and it pops right out. So very easy to do. Of course, now this cord here is for the Wii Boost, which I do plan to mount under the seat. Excuse all the dirt. This will get cleaned at some point. And then I'm hoping to splice into this in the Wii Boost with this cord from the GMRS and have them both run off the S-Pod. Let's see if we can get this thing to turn on and have it operate off that. So we'll see. Anybody who's an electrical genius, if you think that's a bad idea, please feel free to let me know. I don't claim to be an expert. I am just a hobbyist, so any input is valuable. Thank you. All right. So just to make sure this thing works, I did go ahead and plug it into the cigarette lighter for now. You know, like I said, this will be cleaned up before final. And looks like here we got our control. To be honest with you, I don't know much about this thing yet, but that's the volume apparently. Here's the channels, it looks like. You'll also want to get your GMRS license from the FCC so you can stay legal. I know some people don't, but it's like $70, I think, and it's pretty much a 10-year deal, and anybody in your family can use it, so I don't see why you wouldn't, even though it's hardly and probably enforced, but probably not a bad idea to do it. All right, well, have a good day.